So, all right, I called this vid Three Guys and a Pita. And here are my three guys. We got Henri, Vincenzo, and Juan. All right, they're going to help me out today. Now, it turns out you really only need half a pita. But I kind of thought three guys and half a pita, wasn't quite as catchy as three guys and a pita. So I went with three guys and a pita. So the first thing we do is we cut a pita in half. So you have half a pita here already pre-cut. And you want to open up the pita. You want to stretch it out so you can get to the seams. And then you just want to cut the pita on the seam. Like so. So then when you spin them around, you kind of have a nice pita placement, for your eggs. So with that, let's go crack some eggs, guys. All right, so the first thing is to get a little butter going in the pan. Let that melt up a little bit. Maybe a little too hot. Now we'll crack a few eggs. One, two, and three. Now I use a one-handed egg cracking technique. My roommate in college, he actually worked at a Perkins in the summertime, and one time he told me how to cook at Perkins. Only ever used a one-handed technique for cracking their eggs, so I kind of adopted that. Guy was a wealth of information. It's kind of amazing the things that you pick up and stay with you. Right? All right, so little pepper, or maybe a lot of pepper. I like pepper. And a little bit of salt. And that's about it. We just fry up the eggs with a little salt and pepper and just let them cook for a bit. All right, so we let them cook up for a few minutes, and they're looking pretty good right now. So the only thing left to do is to plate them with the pita and then enjoy a nice, quick and easy little breakfast.